everyone, I'm Shashidhar.
Hi, I'm Nandini.
Hey everyone, I'm Sundereshwar.
So today we have Sundar with us, who is going to explain us about the channels and different YouTube sessions through which we are going to share our sessions, through which we are also going to help students get in touch with some of the best people in the community. So going to the question, let's ask the first question to Sundar. So Sundar, what is the main motto of this channel?
Okay, so the main motto of these channels that people are creating, people forming in groups that they create a channel on specific topic is that they want people to know know something about regarding no, no, if they're doing a topic on blogging, if they're doing a topic on inspiring people, if they're doing a topic on quantum computing, they make these channels to specifically focus on that topic and make sure the people who are watching it and to get I would say a domain specific knowledge, and people, if they visit those channels, they would see specific topics regarding those topics only. So if someone wanted to know about something, they would just need to go and go through the playlist of video, just like you have come to learn about Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. So there's a specific playlist for it. So people are creating such playlists each time so that people who want to know that, they would just go to the videos and everything.
Well, yeah. So, what is the names of the channel for the videos in this community? As you mentioned that there are many. Yeah.
Okay, so there are few channels that I want to share. So this session is going to be a shout out session, I would say. Okay, so let's go to the first channel. Let's first go to the YouTube and then type MS Inspire. So here you go. This is the channel that you're currently watching at. So if you go to our MS Inspire, we have a lot of videos currently going on, everything, and few other channels that in the ambassador program people have created. Is one of these is Q Power MSP community, in which they mainly focus on quantum computing and everything. And few of other ambassadors have also created such curated content, such as Salman. He has most of his stuff is absolutely birthdays also, and most of it is based on Minecraft and how to get internships and everything. And we also have Vedant, who specifically focus on machine learning, neural network. And there you go, it's me. And I don't have that much content in my channel, but I do mainly focus on power apps and machine learning also. And there you go, the man Dawood Idris, who is mostly based on inspiring people and doing and teaching courses on GitHub and web applications. So yes, these are the few channels that I wanted to showcase.
Okay, so Sundar, can you brief us about the channels and what are the videos that are available in those playlists?
Oh, sure. So let me just share my screen again. So if you guys, let me just share this thing. Okay. So if you can see my screen now, so let's just go back to MS Inspire. So we have a couple of awesome content lying around. So we have our podcast series in which many people come and go, and we have few exceptions including Pablo and Gold MSPs, and we also have MSP Inspire workshops where people join from various ambassadors join and collaborate and make tutorials. Like we have Shashi, who was the first guy in our MS Inspire workshop who did NLP, and then we have Hemant Kanwindarsad, and also we have MS Inspire Dev to Be, in which we also have the host here, Nandini. So she is a kind of host for this session, and there's also a premiere which is next week. So at this time of recording, it's next week, and we also do weekly Saturday sessions on Inspire. So if you go to our playlist, they are pretty. I think they are. So we have MS Inspire workshops. We did MS Inspire Launch at Global, in which a few gold MSPs joined hands and did sessions by themselves. And we have the Dev to Be, we have podcast, we have the weekly event sessions, in which every Saturday we bring someone from around the world and they give awesome sessions. And we also have specifically aligned to Microsoft Teams, how to set up Microsoft Teams meeting and how to set up Microsoft Teams live event. And there will be also a playlist here that will showcase these tutorials on on the Explorer Guide of being a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. So yes, these are the playlists that we have. We have workshops, we have therapy, we have um, podcasts and workshops. Then go, you can see the trailer. We inspire. Okay, so these are the playlists.
Can you brief
Yes.
us about what are the podcasts about, and who are the invited speakers to these podcasts?
The podcasts are actually podcast is a bit of self-explanatory, that it is an event in which people hop on to the session, and mainly it's focused on the, like, it's mainly focused on the audio part of the session. It's not like it's nothing something like you need to switch on your video, you need to see the video of the session in order to get the idea of it. So podcast something that we do. So if someone has free time, or if someone is doing something in order to get news and everything, you can just plug in his earphones, keep his phone in his pocket, and you can just listen to the session and get the whole idea of session. So if you want, I'll just show some of the sessions we had. So let me just share my screen again. So yes, so here are some of the podcasts that we had. The first podcast we did have with Pablo, in which he joined us, and he talked about a lot of insight, how he joined Microsoft. And we also have a second episode in which a couple of MSPs, not a couple, or like huge cast of MSPs, gold MSPs, 10 MSPs who joined and told their session, and in which me and someone were the hosts of it. And for the record, for now, I think we have done like a couple of episodes. Let's go to the playlist, and if you see here, the playlist. And we did because as the podcasting was too long, we just separated everything, and we also had the Imagine Cup cast with us, in which the previous winner of the Imagine Cup was joined with us, and we did also have a podcast regarding the build, MS build, that see the annual event that Microsoft has, and showcases its various products and everything. So we also had a podcast on that, in which people just need to just go on to look and just listen to it. They don't need to like have any specific video attached to it, but it's great and you can enjoy and everything. Yes, these are the podcasts, and yes.
Yeah, that was so cool. Like you can get every update. You have different types of things, podcast, workshops.
Yes.
So if someone wants to get updated, like we can't check the YouTube channel every now and then. Even if we subscribe, we don't get the updated time.
Yes.
So then he or she can do, so that or he needs to register for the workshop or the.
Okay. So there are if it's hard for people to get notified and everything, we also take care of that. We have a newsletter for us, MS Inspire newsletter, and there will be a link here somewhere. I'll just put it. And in that, if you subscribe to it, you will get notifications. You get monthly, weekly newsletters for it and everything. And we also have a meetup. Also have a meetup channel. If I just go meetup.com/inspire. I did use the wrong URL. I did again use the wrong URL. I go here and type in it's for now MSP Inspire. So yes, so this is the meetup channel that we have. You can always go there and follow this channel, in which we host our upcoming sessions and everything. There you go. It's so this is in next week as well, and we post every event that comes to on MS Inspire. Every event we post it and make sure that the attendees get notified and everything. You can see, you can even go there and you can RSVP to the event, and everything is given here. And yes, for the people who are not inside the social media groups, we also have a Discord channel, AKMS Discord chat. So you can go there and you can join our Discord server and hang out with us. And there are so many things, so many bots, so many more fun things. We can be listen to music together and everything. So yes, so not a very good topic. If you want to get notified regarding this MS Inspire talk and everything, you can choose our meetup, meetup.com/MS Inspire, or you can also join our newsletter, army newsletter.msinspire.com. So So these are the both things that you can do if you want to get notified about events and everything.
Well, Sundar, who all can attend this? Is there any constraints to it, or is it open for all?
Well, being we are being in a democratic area, I don't think we restrict any sessions for like people who want to join, and it's open for all. So people who like, the only motto is like people who want to get inspired, who want to learn about technology, learn about evolving the news and everything. They are free to visit our channel and go through the videos and everything. Sometimes we do have the specific kind of the ambassador program talks, but it's a minor part of MS Inspire channel. So for the rest of the people, they can go to and listen to the podcast, because podcasts are universal, and you can go to DevTV, you can go to workshops and everything. It's just that if you want to learn about something, get inspired, or make something new technology using Microsoft services, you can just go to our channel and look on the videos, and you will get a long list which you will never get bored.
Yeah, cool. Like even I have seen some people who are not a part of this community, but they do attend our sessions whenever we premiere them or we play them live. I have seen some people who just continuously, whenever we attend, I mean, whenever we premiere them, they come to this session, they enjoy it. They are so interested to learn new things. So it's a wonderful opportunity for everyone. So we are providing a right platform to share your ideas and knowledge.
We are providing something like a tutorial course right now to the new ambassadors. So these are the things that we do. We kind of like make like I don't want to say difficult stuff, but we want to make people the things that we do more accessible to the world.
People want to share, they can use this platform as well.
Yes.
So how is the channel, like we want to know how is the channel helping the community members and other students get in touch with some of the best people in that field, particular field?
Okay, so here's the thing. So normally we kind of try to do those things like we don't want like a repetitive course. Like if there was a machine learning workshop on the previous Saturday, we don't normally do the next workshop as we kind of like want to include each and every topic, so that from people from every domain would get something out of it. For example, we did have a Azure ML and Power BI course, in which people who wanted to know about Power BI and everything. We did have Vijaya doing her machine learning. We do have Shashi who did his NLP. So people who did watch his video we have also given the social media so we did have their social media links below in the description, so that they could, if they wanted to contact, so they could just go there and contact. Or if they're lucky to join the premiere, the guy who is doing session would be also in the chat, so we can just have a chit chat there. And yes, and also the main thing is that if anyone wants to like get in touch with someone, they could obviously like approach to us and say like, hey, I'm doing work in this field, can you help me getting people who is more into that stuff? Because normally yes, and also people try to I would say this, how can I name it, how can I frame it, hold on. Okay, so I'm just thinking like how to frame those words. Okay, so the thing is, if you want to get knowledge in a specific domain, we at least try to cover the basics of that topic. Regarding that, we have NLP, we have Power Apps, we have Azure Machine Learning, we have at least like the basic topics. If you want to do something in that topic, I'm sure that MS Inspire has at least one video on that. You can at least get started, because if you go to the workshop thing, Shashi, I don't want to repeat myself NLP, but he has done an awesome episode on NLP, like from the basics and everything. We do have on the basics of Power Apps, we do have Power BI. We want to learn ML Studio, we have video on it. And if you want, even if you just want to if you want to like be good in leadership skills, we do have a video on with Pooja Sund, who has like 14 years experience in Microsoft, and she has been done like so many leadership positions, and she explained like she explains so awesome on regarding leadership skills and how to get those leadership skills, how to practice the leadership skills. So not only technical stuff but also like inspirational. We sometimes have Dawood Idris on like occasionally on the channel, where he like hangs out with us and solves our doubts and makes us know. So if someone is down, he would just say, hey, be inspired and stay inspired. Yeah, so that's the yes. We try to do our best and make sure that many people get knowledge in each and every session domain.
Yeah, like I have conducted the first session, and I mean, people did reach out to me after the session, like, if I need some help in the project, can you help me? And also that it will help networking as well as you'll also get to help some people, you'll grow your knowledge and all. So that was a session, a wonderful session by Sundereshwar.
So, guys, we go watch out all the videos in the series. They are awesome, and we have so much content on it. We basically want to make sure that we have our word spread everywhere, and that everybody has the knowledge of the work we are doing. And it is awesome work, and you will love it and learn a lot. So this series tells you how to learn actually, and it's super incredible. And we had our guest Sundar here. He does so much work for this, and it's awesome. His work is quite outpowered here. So I will
Whoa,
say
that's a big word.
he is a thumbs up on everything. You can get help about everything here. So yeah, he has personally helped me a lot as well in all the sessions I do. So there's a lot that has to be said about the speaker today, but let's not just say it, and let's see it on the MS Inspire channel and love it. Give it a thumbs up as well.
And
Yeah.
and before we go on, I'll just say that if you have time, let's go to Dev2B. She is the host there, and well, yes, Dev2B. Like let me just explain that. So Dev2B. Okay, hold on. I think Dev2B would be more suitable if Nandini would explain it.
So basically, Dev2B tells you story about developers, and I have mentioned about it in one of the sessions itself. And I would want you to see there and the Dev2B channel itself, because it speaks for itself and it has a lot that you can learn from. So go ahead.
So make sure you like and subscribe to MSP Inspired and MS Inspired. And yes, I'm not the host, so I'll just give it back to Nandini and Sashi.
So let's just wrap this up for today and go watch all the videos. Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.